الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد. May praise be to Allah, the creator of all the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his master and final prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, upon his family and all his companions. Today I have been assigned to speak on a burning topic of the time, Islam and terrorism. It is surprising enough that violent activities and terrorism are attributed to Islam, whereas it is the religion of peace and mercy. The word of Islam, which means submission to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is derived from salam, which means peace. It is in fact Islam which for the first time in the human history came forward to protect the weak and to strengthen the poor and honor the disdained. It regarded the sector of human life, wealth, and honored the utmost necessity of a human society. Islam raised the value of a single human life to equate it with the life of all the people in the world. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, مِنْ أَجْلِ ذَلِكَ كَتَبْنَا عَلَى بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ أَنَّهُ مَنْ قَتَلَ نَفْسًا بِغَيْرِ نَفْسٍ أَوْ فَسَادٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ فَكَأَنَّمَا قَتَلَ النَّاسَ جَمِيعًا وَمَنْ أَحْيَاهَا فَكَأَنَّمَا أَحْيَا النَّاسَ جَمِيعًا. For this reason, we decree for the children of Israel that whoever kills a person, not in retaliation for a person killed, nor for spreading disorder on the earth, is as if he has killed the whole of humankind. And whoever saves the life of a person is as if he has saved the whole of humankind. Islam presented a set of religious and social teachings which spread peace and brotherhood. So truly Islam represented the creed of peace, and the Prophet ﷺ was called mercy for the mankind. Islam advocated forgiveness and avoidance. It encouraged reconciliation and mutual understanding instead of fighting. Violence and using force was abhorred the least degree. Fighting was allowed only as the last option, and in this case, to unjust fighting and undue violence was prohibited. As the Holy Quran says, لا ينهاكم الله عن الذين لم يقاتلوكم في الدين ولم يخرجوكم من دياركم أن تبروهم وتقسطوا إليهم إن الله يحب المقسطين. Allah does not forbid you as regards those who did not fight you on account of faith and did not expel you from your homes, that you do good to them and deal justly with them. Surely Allah loves those who maintain justice. Dear audience, in several verses of the Holy Quran and Hadith, Islam is stressed to adopt justice and fairness in their actions, even with their enemies and opponents. The Prophet ﷺ prohibited Muslims to kill the women of their enemies, even children, and even their hermits and the non-combatant people. He would advise them, do not betray and do not be excessive. And he also said, whoever has killed a person having a treaty with the Muslim shall not smell the fragrance of paradise, which is smelled for a span of 40 years. Muslims are even encouraged to be kind to animals and are forbidden to hurt them. Once the Prophet ﷺ said that a woman was punished because she imprisoned a cat until it died. On account of this, she was doomed to hell. While she imprisoned it, she did not give the cat food or drink, nor did she bring to it what she finds. Likewise, he said that the man gave a very thirsty dog a drink, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave his sins for this action. The Prophet ﷺ was asked, Messenger of Allah, are we rewarded for kindness towards animals? The Prophet ﷺ said, there is a reward for kindness to every living animal or human. Respected brothers, in the light of this text, the act of inciting terror in the hearts of defenseless civilians, the wholesale destruction of buildings and properties, the bombing of innocent men, women, and children are forbidden, and the detestable acts according to Islam. Muslims follow a religion of peace, mercy and forgiveness. The vast majority have nothing to do with the violent events that some have associated with Muslims. If an individual Muslim is committing an act of terrorism, this person would be guilty of violating the laws of Islam. Killing innocent persons is totally unjustified and unacceptable in Islam. Here I conclude my talk with the prayer that Allah subhanahu wa